Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to crochet letter beads into a Christmas decoration using my sock as an example. We'll create a personalized design that's perfect for the holidays. Here's how. Step-by-step instructions. Plan your word. Choose the word you'd like to add. Keep in mind that the letters should be strung backward and upside down, so they appear correctly when finished. Thread the beads. Use a smaller crochet hook to pull your yarn through the holes of the letter beads. Ensure your yarn length allows for flexibility. After threading, transfer the yarn to your main crochet hook. Start crocheting. Begin with your base stitch. As you reach a bead, position it into place and work a single crochet to secure it. To maintain consistency in your design, use double crochet stitches between the beads, ensuring the height of each stitch matches the rest of your decoration. Continue crocheting as you add each letter, keeping the tension even and spacing consistent. This method works beautifully for smaller words like joy, love, or personalized names.
With a twinkle in his eye, he'll make the time just fly. Every morning brings surprise, bringing smiles and joyful sighs. With a twinkle in his eye, he'll make the time just fly. Every morning brings surprise, bringing smiles and joyful sighs. So welcome him in with open arms. This little elf brings no harm. He'll be your friend and guide through the winter by your side. Cherish every single day with your elf to light the way, making memories so sweet until next year when you'll meet. Christmas time is not just for me, as you all can see, as you all can see. Christmas time is meant to be, as you all can see, as you all can see.
Add a hanger and fill. Once your design is complete, add a loop for hanging and fill the sock with candy or small gifts. Hang it on your tree, fireplace, or anywhere festive. If you'd like more ideas, I also have a tutorial on decorating your Christmas socks with embroidered snowflakes. Check the link in the description box. All links for my pattern are in the description box too. Have fun and enjoy a Merry Christmas!